Hello Beardy buddies, and welcome back to the workshop. My wife and I had picked up this table saw at a thrift store basically, and for the most part they said it works, but I wanted to kind of take it apart. I know some of the mechanisms on the front don't seem to be working, so I want to do kind of a general cleaning and an assessment of it and see what I can fix, and thought maybe you'd want to come along for the journey. So let's dig in and see what we can find. Lever here, I think it's just a lock. So this is the handle. It seems to be working. This locks it in place. Alright, so the thing that I'm missing, there's a handle that's supposed to be on here that raises and lowers the blade. So that I think I need to fix. This should be 0. Which I might be able to make something out of wood. I'm thinking would probably be the easiest. All right, let's see if it works. It appears to work just fine, so it looks like I'm just going to need to manufacture a couple new handles here. Everything seems to work. It seems to tilt and it seems to raise and lower, so I'll probably just give it a good cleaning and we'll be good to go. Alright guys, let's get these legs cleaned up a little rusty. think you get the idea. Now we're just gonna quick rinse it. I'm gonna wash it with soap and water and let it dry in the sun. I'll put some rust reformer on it. Hey Beardy buddies, and welcome to the workshop. In today's project we continue working on the table saw. As you saw last time, we grinded off all the rusty parts and then we put some rust converter on. And in today's episode we're gonna spray paint, so let's get to it. Alright, so we've let this sit for a couple days now, and now the paint has dried. And so now we're going to go ahead and reassemble this. We're going to start by putting these casters back together. So I will start with that. See how that looks. See it? Hey Beardy buddies, and welcome back. Now, it's actually, for my time, it's been a couple weeks since we last recorded on this project. I ordered some parts. I was going to fix these handles up, and then I looked online and found out that the parts that I needed were only a couple bucks a piece. So instead I ordered them, and then I waited, and it took a couple weeks to get them, so that's why this project's been a little bit delayed. But all in all, I think we got the table saw for $30, and then the parts were around $40 after shipping. So all in all, I've put about $70 into this table saw, which I still think is a pretty good deal because about the cheapest table saws you can find anywhere. Even the really cheap ones are just $150 or so. So this is a Makita, and I'll post a picture of the model number and everything. So next step is to go ahead and take these parts and put the handles all back together, so I'll get set up. Alright, so let's start reassembling this thing. And actually it might be easiest to put this guy on first. Let's see here. If it goes straight down. Do something like that. There we go. Let's go that route. Alright, let's set it up and see how it works. Alright, let's see how it works now. So, to change the angle, we rotate this back and forth. That looks good. To lock it in place, let's say we wanted to do a 25-degree angle. Lock it in. That works. And then raising and lowering is done with this. That's working good too. So the other thing I didn't mention though is I did pick up this crosscut guide, and of all the replacement parts, this was the most expensive. This was like 20 bucks. But so now I have everything complete. So what do you guys think? You think it was a good deal or not? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.